Okay, that's the return air grill, and then you got the 6 meter return air duct that attaches onto it, and that goes to the back of your fan coil. So your return air grill's in your hallway, you attach your two 6 meter ducts to the back of your fan coil that you've got hung in your roof. You've screwed your return air plenum on, which is that silver section just there. From there, you actually see that front, that's your fan coil. Then you screw your supply plenum on, that triangle plenum that goes on the front of your fan coil. From there, you take your supply ducts along to your main fittings, which is the section that distributes the air to all of your different areas, such as your bedrooms and family area. See the ducts there? That's what we showed you earlier, connecting that 10-inch little circle onto the front of the main fitting. Just snaps in there like Lego. Give it a half base and connect over to your fan coil, which is here. See those two copper pipes? The other thing is those two drains. See the two grey tubes? They go outside to your gutter or downpipe. Make sure that they have fall and that they're well secured, because your air conditioning system generates a lot of water. Make sure you always use an electrician to do your electrical connections and a refrigeration mechanic to do your copper work connections and commission your system. If you do that, you will be fine.